Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the display back cover. Removal. Carefully disconnect the Slate battery cable from the connector on the Slate system board. Important: make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna cable for later replacement. Disconnect the wireless antenna cable from the connector on the Slate system board. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless antenna cable from the Slate system board. Damaged cables or connectors can degrade notebook performance. Peel back the retention tape that secures the wireless antenna cable to the Slate battery and remove the cable from the routing channel on the Slate bracket. Peel back the metallic tape that secures the wireless transceiver to the raw panel and Slate bracket. Important: make careful note of the placement of the wireless antenna transceiver for later replacement. Using a non-conductive flat-bladed tool, remove the wireless antenna transceiver from the adhesive on the display bezel. Replacement. Caution: use care when handling and installing the new antenna. Accidental bending of the antenna elements will detune the antenna and degrade notebook performance. Place the wireless antenna transceiver into position and adhere it to the display bezel. Carefully replace the metallic tape that secures the wireless antenna transceiver to the Slate bracket and raw panel. Route the wireless antenna cable through the routing channel that secures it to the Slate bracket and replace the retention tape that adheres the cable to the Slate battery. Connect the wireless antenna cable to the Slate system board. Caution: use care when connecting the wireless antenna cable to the Slate system board. Damaged cables or connectors can degrade notebook performance. Carefully connect the Slate battery cable into the connector on the Slate system board.